Napoleon Bonaparte's influence extended beyond the battlefield. It reached into the realm of law and governance. One of his most enduring contributions was the creation of the Napoleonic Code, a civil legal code that revolutionized the legal systems of France and many other nations. This legal framework, also known as the Civil Code or Code Napoleon, has left an indelible mark on modern legal systems worldwide. Napoleon, seeking to consolidate and modernize the legal chaos that had ensued during the French Revolution, appointed a commission to draft a comprehensive legal code. The result was the Napoleonic Code, officially enacted in 1804. This legal masterpiece aimed to provide a clear and accessible set of laws, replacing the complex and often contradictory patchwork of laws that had existed before. The Napoleonic Code emphasized several fundamental legal principles that departed from the feudal and monarchic legal traditions. Equality before the law, the protection of individual rights, and the sanctity of private property were central tenets. It also introduced the concept of legal certainty, with statutes written in clear and concise language to ensure universal understanding. The influence of the Napoleonic Code extended far beyond the borders of France. As Napoleon's empire expanded, so did the reach of his legal reforms. The Napoleonic Code served as a model for legal systems in many European and Latin American countries. Nations such as Portugal, Spain, Romania, and the Netherlands adopted variations of the code during the 19th century. In the Americas, the Napoleonic Code had a profound impact on legal systems in former French colonies and beyond. Louisiana, which had come under French rule before becoming a part of the United States, retained a legal system heavily influenced by the Napoleonic Code. The principles of the code also influenced legal developments in Latin American countries gaining independence from colonial rule. The Napoleonic Code continues to influence legal thought and practice today. Its emphasis on clarity, individual rights, and equality has shaped the foundations of legal systems in civil law countries. Many principles of the code are evident in contemporary legal frameworks, and its influence can be seen in international legal documents and conventions. While the Napoleonic Code has earned admiration for its clarity and principles, it has also faced criticism. Some argue that it reflects a top-down, authoritarian approach, limiting judicial discretion and adaptability. In response to changing social norms, some countries have modified or supplemented the code with additional laws. The Napoleonic Code stands as a testament to Napoleon Bonaparte's vision for a legal system that would endure beyond his military conquests. Its principles, rooted in the Enlightenment ideals of liberty and equality, have had a lasting impact on legal systems around the world. The Napoleonic Code remains a significant part of Napoleon's legacy, illustrating his ability to shape not only the political landscape but also the very fabric of legal governance on a global scale.